Let's continue to keep the focus on load shedding, which is placing further strain on infrastructure in Nelson Mandela Bay. The blackouts are causing electrical problems in some parts of the metro. There's also been reports of vandalism and cable theft. Technicians tasked with restoring the power there have also been targeted, and residents saying that they are also easy targets for the criminals when the power goes out. The person watching that story for us is Siphosethu Booi, who joins us from Gqeberha. Siphosethu, good morning to you. Just some of all of the stuff I've mentioned in that introduction. Give us a real sense of how the people in Gqeberha are feeling about these power cuts, because it's clear that they're saying these are making them vulnerable to criminality.
You are correct, Booi, and I'm going to be joined by a taxi driver here at the CBD of Nelson Mandela Bay, Gqeberha, rather in Dasi, because we moved away from Missionvale earlier on, where we were reporting live due to the issue of safety concerns as well as the issue of those robots that aren't working in that particular area. Joining me now, Booi, is of course Utata is going to be explaining to us in detail how this issue of load shedding affects them here at the particular rank in Dasi. Tata, ngicela usixelele ba i-load shedding nina inichaphazela kanjani noshishino lwenu apha erenkini?
Ndithetha njengemashali ndiyibambele. Into eyenzekayo, i-load shedding imisa yonke i-business, ngoba into eyenzekayo emisebenzini kwii-companies bayagoduswa abasebenzi kuba akukho mbane kungasebenzi, soke sichaphazeleke singasebenzi nathi, umcimbi ulapha.
I-safety yenu ke ngokutata ibekeka emngciphekweni njani xa ningenayo imibane nakwiilokishi zenu enihlala kuzo, ke singakhange sithethe ngokoshishino qha, apho nihlala khona nichaphazeleka kanjani nabantwana, ne-homework nokupheka, yonke laa nto?
Hayi ke iyafeyida ke yonke into, abantwana bakwazi ukwenza zi-homework because kusetyenziswa ikhompyutha. So ke neefriji zethu ziyabona ukutya kwethu ezifrijini through i-load shedding.
Nina ninayo tata le ngxaki yoba kubiwe i-cable theft around phaa kunekuhlaleni, ufumaniseke uba kukho abantu ke aba bafana kuthiwa ngamaphara baqhawula i-cable theft, ningabi nawo umbane, umasipala angakwazi ukuza ke ngoku kuni uzonilungiselela umbane, okanye noko nina ikabi ingxaki yenu kakhulu leyo, iseyi-load shedding qha yona nto ingamandla phaa kwi-eriyeni?
Yiyona ngxaki enkulu leyo yamaphara aqhawula ii-cables kwii-robots, yonke into ngabikho mbane, ubaleka umbane, nomasipala angahoyi. So ke sisengxakini nyhani.
Ezikolweni abantwana tata xa kufuneka belungiselela ubheka ezikolweni, niye nithini ke ngoku xa kungekho mbane?
Siyasafarisha kaloku kuba sikwazi kwenza nto ngaphandle kombane, bayachaneka abantwana bethu.
Enkosi kakhulu tata. That was of course Utata Mzoeli here at the CBD in Gqeberha, Booi. And I must make mention of the fact that I spoke to one woman, Umama Nomfuneko, a bit earlier on, and she also cooks. She has her own store here at this particular CBD taxi rank in Dasi, and she said to me that her biggest problem as far as load shedding is concerned is the issue of having to do homeworks with her kids, because she then has to go and buy candles and make sure that she monitors the kids with the candles, because one thing could lead to another and her house could burn down due to the negligence of leaving kids with candles. So load shedding has affected them in particular in her area, and also the issue of criminals coming in and around their yards when there is load shedding. They find themselves more vulnerable to criminals at those particular moments when there's blackouts.
Siphosethu Booi, thank you very much for that update live for us in the city of Gqeberha, that's in the Eastern Cape. She'll keep monitoring the situation there to give us feedback here as to how people are being affected by these rolling blackouts.